I'm Marty Guthmiller, CEO for Orange City Area Health System. Our mission is to meet the healthcare needs of all residents in our area. This mission and our core values encompass our entire health system, including a state-of-the-art critical access hospital, 4 primary care clinics, home health and hospice, and senior living and nursing homes. One of the challenges in fulfilling that mission today is the need for additional physicians. To best serve the growing population here in Northwest Iowa, we want to grow our physician team as a whole, but in particular family practice, with an interest in obstetrics and potentially emergency room coverage.
I think Orange City Area Health System is different from some of the other rural health systems that I looked at or interviewed at. In the size, it's small enough that there's still plenty of opportunities to interact with administration and with colleagues on matters both small and large to the health system, but it's also large enough that we have good services as far as specialty services.
We are deeply committed to a top quality medical team offering a full range of clinic and hospital services. This approach has served both our region and our physicians very well.
My goal in diagnostic imaging was to create a center of excellence here. Now, we're not big enough to do everything for everybody, but what I wanted to accomplish is what we do very well. So if someone gets a test here, it should be the test, the procedure, and the interpretation should be as excellent as they would get at a university or the Mayo Clinic. And I think by and large we've accomplished that. The administration's been very generous with us, allowing us to buy state-of-the-art equipment from mammography to MR to CT imaging.
Our health system has a history of employing our physicians since 1995. Our physician contract includes minimum salary guarantees, optional additional hourly pay for emergency room coverage, an attractive loan forgiveness program, and signing bonuses. We also offer a comprehensive benefit package, including moving allowance, CME, and a very attractive retirement program.
We are all employees of the health system, and financially we're actually not tied together. So that actually makes it nice because you work, you get paid. But on the other hand, we have a real camaraderie. We consider ourselves partners in terms of the care of the patients. There's a lot of consulting that goes on, and just a lot of give and take with the various medical problems patients have that my partners have always been a really good source for dealing with a lot of that.
While all of these things are very important, at Orange City Area Health System, our culture encourages a quality of life outside of medicine as well.
I think there is an extremely big push to assure that the doctors have their family life, that they are a well-rounded person so that they can be happier in what they're doing and taking better care of the patients.
Because we believe this element is key to a physician's satisfaction, we would like to show you not only our health system and what we have to offer, but also our vibrant community and what it has to offer you and your family. In May of 2006, we had the good fortune of opening a new state-of-the-art critical access hospital and comprehensive health system to serve the healthcare needs of Northwest Iowa. While this $30 million structure has received numerous awards for its architectural beauty, we know it's the care, compassion, skill, and expertise of our healthcare team that truly creates the healing environment here. Our own healthcare team says it best.
The things that I noticed that are different in Orange City is the camaraderie, the way that people work together. I'm able to ask questions to anyone, and everyone is friendly. Everyone answers my questions without any hesitation. They're also very interested in furthering my education and helping me grow as a provider, which is very important to me also.
Orange City Area Health System is committed to providing a comprehensive range of healthcare services with a skilled and compassionate medical team.
Well, I think for a young family in the area with various healthcare needs, you can get everything you need at the Orange City Area Health System. We have care that extends from the obstetrical care to pediatrics to sports medicine, then on to any kind of adult medicine and even geriatric care. And we have enough doctors that there is some level of expertise in each one of those areas. So you can get about 95% of the healthcare you need right here in Orange City instead of having to maybe travel to Sioux City or Sioux Falls to see specialists. And initially that may not seem to be that big a deal, but actually over time it is, because if you have to travel a lot, that just takes that much more of each day. And every young family's busy these days, and that makes it more difficult.
That's a very wonderful thing about working here is the people on the medical staff. And that too has evolved over the last 10 to 15 years. But the nice thing is that we're all just feet away from one another. So there's constant interaction and consultation going on with patient care. Which tests to order, what are the results, how do we incorporate this into their workup, and where do we go from here? So it's a real pleasure. And quite frankly, I think there's few communities our size that can boast a medical staff that we have here. 11 family physicians, 4 mid-levels, 2 full-time general surgeons. It's really something the community can be proud of.
That team approach really serves our patients well and is also a very rewarding work experience as a new physician to the group.
While we are committed to a lifetime of top quality healthcare, we know we are also fortunate to be in a community and surrounding area with an outstanding quality of life. Orange City is a very livable, walkable, family-oriented community. It's a small town with vibrant cultural opportunities, fun and distinct shopping, incredible recreation and entertainment for all ages, trails and parks, and outstanding schools.
We feel like this community is just the perfect place to raise a family. It's safe. There's just such a family atmosphere. There's so many programs for kids to be involved in. The whole summer rec program I know I loved as a kid, and my siblings loved, and my nieces and nephews are just starting to enjoy that as well. The community has a lot to offer, even though it is a small town. We have, the pools, we have event center. There's always something going on.
So it's a very easy commute to juggle doing obstetrics with home life, because you can run back and forth without taking a lot of time away from your family. And I really appreciated that over the years, especially delivering a lot of babies and having kids myself.
Orange City is the home of Northwestern College, a highly recognized 4-year liberal arts college offering a variety of quality cultural, entertainment, educational, and athletic events.
One thing I love about this community is the college atmosphere, that it brings change, it brings new perspective, new students. I'm able to do quite a few athletic physicals. I enjoy sports. I'm able to go to a lot of different sporting activities. There are a lot of things for my children to be involved in. In a smaller community, they're able to do all kinds of sports and music and things through school and rec activities. So there are a lot of things for my family to get involved in, as well as other people in the community.
The college actually offers a lot to the community because they have a lot of things going on there between concerts and speakers and theater and sporting events. So those things are very nice. The community is small, only 5,000 or 6,000 people, but we really have a lot of the kind of things that families would normally be doing. So we've enjoyed it thoroughly and are happy that we raised our kids here, that's for sure.
Orange City is also the county seat of Sioux County, one of the few counties in the U.S. that has continued to grow and prosper with a vibrant, strong economy.
Another thing that's important when one is choosing where to go practice and where to go live is just kind of the makeup of the town and the local economy.
We truly feel we have the best of both worlds here. Orange City offers an unparalleled depth of quality of life and an unmatched breadth of healthcare services for a rural community. A lifetime of care and a quality of life that continues to serve the people of Northwest Iowa.
It comes down to the quality of the people that live here the community, which has provided us with this wonderful facility. And so those three things make for the practice of medicine very pleasurable. We work with people who are not only skilled and talented, but deeply care about the people they're taking care of.
Thank you for watching this video and for joining us on this brief tour of our health system and our community. We look forward to exploring this opportunity with you.